Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Ford Fusion versus Chevy Impala. We'll explore their key differences, from performance and interior comfort to technology and overall value. The Fusion, a mid-size sedan, offers diverse options, while the Impala, a full-size sedan, provides ample passenger space. This comparison will help you understand which vehicle might better suit your driving needs and preferences, ensuring you make an informed decision. When it comes to performance, the Ford Fusion offers a wider array of engine choices, including a powerful 325 horsepower V6 and efficient hybrid options. The Chevrolet Impala typically comes with a capable 305 horsepower V6, providing a smooth ride. The Fusion also boasts slightly better highway fuel economy, reaching up to 34 miles per gallon, and offers all-wheel drive for varied conditions, a feature not available on the Impala. Inside, the Chevrolet Impala generally offers more passenger volume, providing 105 cubic feet compared to the Ford Fusion's 102.8 cubic feet, making it feel more spacious. Both vehicles feature intuitive 8-inch touchscreen infotainment systems with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Fusion stands out with standard Ford Co-Pilot 360 safety features, including blind spot monitoring, while the Impala offers similar advanced safety technologies as available options. Regarding reliability, both the Fusion and Impala generally receive good ratings, though some Fusion models have reported power steering issues, and older Impalas might experience transmission concerns. The Fusion's resale value can see a depreciation of around 45% in 3 years. Ultimately, your choice depends on priorities like space, standard safety, or engine variety. For more great deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.